You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very interesting word, this one. You need to be able to pronounce it correctly. I know the spelling makes it complicated or confusing, so it's not social or social or social. Social is the French pronunciation, but in English the pronunciation is as social. Alright, British English and American English pronunciations are very similar here. Social. Stress on the first syllable. Social. Did you get this? Can you pronounce it correctly? Remember? Social. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.